we store all these beautiful, colorful items in order for us to make it easy to get ready in the morning and for them not to become messy. I will show you how I store my own makeup. I will also give you alternatives. My favorite storage solution for makeup are acrylic boxes. One, because you can see through them. Second, because they're durable. And third, because they come with compartments already that you can choose what you're gonna put. I've decided to put lipsticks in this section because they're easy to take out. I've grouped them by type of lipstick, by long-lasting, by glossy, by bright colors that are not red, red colors, mascara, BB cream, and eyeliner. Under this section, I have eyeshadows, bronzing powder, and my blush. Then, in these other compartments, I have brushes, more glossy, that's my favorite, lipstick, eye brushes, eyeliners and lip liners, pencil sharpeners, and I keep a stock of my favorite products, so just in case when I see them on sale or when I travel, like my MAC mascara and the MAC BB cream, which are my definitely top products. If you have more makeup than me, then you can always get acrylic boxes with drawers and store the extra items you have in each drawer. And again, categorize by type of product. There are other 4 storage solutions I really like and I've used with clients and friends. 1 are the drawer units. 2 are rotating organizers. 3 are baskets. And 4 are cups or boxes. I'll put links on the screen of places where you can look into these items and purchase them. The aim here is to store your makeup in a way where you can find the product you're looking for very easily. You can take it out without making a mess, and you could put it back in as well without making a mess. You want to get ready in an easy, practical way. Oh, you're still there. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. I love it when you come and say hi on my social media platforms. Just follow the links here on the screen. Bye, until next time.